I'm not playing. I'm not playing. Stop. Stop. No. No. Stop.
Why does cotton bother you so much?
I don't know. It just Stop. It just does. Stop it. You let me, you'll stop.
This is a normal piece of cotton. You touched it.
I know, and I don't like to because it makes my skin crawl. Stop. Stop. That's a no, no, no. Stop. Don't touch my hands. Don't touch my hands. You're fucking nuts. I swear to God, I swear to God. I'm gonna fucking hit you in the nuts. You better stop.
You know you threw it towards me, right?
Stop. No more, please. Done. No more.